in?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, we're building a 12 by 16 camping deck. Typically I would run batter boards and all kinds of professional stuff. But then you can do this stuff in your head sometimes. So we got some strings, we got these things squared. 16-foot hypotenuse is 14 foot, or 12-foot hypotenuse is 14 foot 5 and a 16th. 8-foot span, it's a 2x8 joist on an 8-foot span. Probably 4x6, 4x8 joist here. 16 by 12 deck. And these are our footings.
These are our footings.
So we need a little bit more water here to get it sloppy.
And why do you want it sloppy?
So it's easier to level.
Okay.
Easier to level. Then we have an engineer on site.
There we go.
Yeah, I'm general contractor. We have a
cook.
Lovely cook and
camera person. There you go.
And
we are hard at work.
Woofers, by the way.
Oh yes, yeah. Woofers. Woo-hoo, woofers.
We're setting it up camp for the Caldor fire burn. Show them the destruction that happened to our beautiful land.
See what happened to our beautiful trees? Oh my gosh. These used to all be green.
Show them the green ones over there. At least they know we didn't lose everything.
Okay, walk with me this way. We will find some green trees. Ah, there we go. See them? Green. Yay!
Okay.
Uh-oh. Now we're going to get seasick.
Yeah, right in the middle.
Wow, not only is she an engineer, she's a bodybuilder there. Woohoo!
Okay, where's the
on the tape measure?
Dropped your stuff. She was saying I had black on my nose. I use concrete dye, and so I adjust my glasses, and so I get black on my nose. So we're going to put this on the inside. That's got to be 6 foot to the center. Oh, perfect! Almost.
Wow.
Alright, so then we'll basically to the inside edge of that. So that needs to go that way quite a bit.
Oh yeah. Wow.
More. 2 inches. Keep going. Right. Oh, is that it? Yeah, right there. That's good. That'll work.
Okay, you gonna explain what you just did?
Yeah, we just aligned plumbing line.
Plumbing line.
Plumbing line. Well, we didn't plumb it, but we lined it.
Okay.
Leveled in line. Where's the bubble? There it is on that pier over there, huh?
Okay. Okay, we're doing our deck. Woohoo! Now that's the easy way to dig a hole. Ha! And now we're moving the cement over to the hole. This is the easy way of doing this. Oh my gosh, who needs a wheelbarrow when you have one of these, right? Doesn't proper way to mix concrete.
This is makeshift. We're not looking at the code here. This is our own camp. This is camp.
Okay.
Building.
Camp building. There you go. This is the Sunday afternoon way of doing it.
the perfect day to do it, man. Yesterday it's so hot. It's been
Oh, I know it.
what's the temperature?
The high was supposed to be 88 today.
Yeah, it was raining.
Yeah.
It's also there. I actually got cold a little bit.
Yeah. That's so cool.
Now, this is the way we're going to dump the concrete. And there we go. Look at that. Ha! And now we have our concrete. Amazing. Absolutely amazing.